back to another unboxing obsession video. Oh my god, it feels like it's been forever since I don't do an actual face video. So as you might already know, which I'm sure you guys already know, this is going to be a Boxycharm unboxing video, and this is for the month of February, guys. If you are not familiar with Boxycharm, it's a makeup monthly subscription box where you receive 5 full-size products for $27.99 monthly. And like I said, this is for February, so let's get started. Yes. Hope everyone is having a wonderful day or night. And this is what my box looks like inside. Since it's February, it's really nice. It has this nice crystal clear diamonds and some red ones. Look how pretty that is. And again, this is my information card too, guys. So everything that's inside my box is listed here with prices. Woohoo! Okay, so let's get started. Super excited. Love Boxycharm. Woohoo! And that's, hold on. Okay, now, woohoo! Look at all these goodies in there. Okay. First off, let's start with, we have a multitasker. This is a 4-in-1 makeup brush. Ooh. Want to see what this looks like? Must be super exciting. Ooh, let's see. Ooh, love the color. Look how cute the color is. This is really nice. Hold on. This is leaving with me on my next vacation. Okay, there we go. Look how pretty that is, guys. Oh, it's so nice and soft. Super soft. I'm already trying it. Oh, wait a minute. It opens up. This is so cute. Look. Oh, hold on. Oh, yeah, because it did say 4-in-1. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Wow, and this is like so nice. Look, okay. So now I have my 4 pieces. I'm just gonna put everything back together, and then that is super cool. This is like a travel friendly piece right here. Definitely a travel friendly piece right here, and I love it. I love it. I can't wait to use it. So that, my friends, is going to be the HYPEWORTHY multitasker 4-in-1, and that retails, so it retails for $28, guys. Whoa. Okay, that alone just paid for the whole box. Let's go to our next item. So next is going to be, ooh, let's open this one up. So this is it's Gensa Color Tone Up Primer, Essential Glow, and it has 8 super blacks essence. No idea what this is. Okay, so it's a primer. Okay, that's what it looks like. Okay, so it has, I'm trying to shake it. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. All right, let's see. This box is gonna fall. If I move, this box is going right to the floor. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right there. Let's see. Oh, it's really nice. It's like a, oh, I like it. You see how nice and bright it is? I like it. Ooh, can't wait to try it. That's pretty interesting. Where's my information card? I just lost my information card. Where did I put it? Oh, okay, it's here. Guys, I'm just like going all over. I'm going crazy. It's been a long time since I don't do a face unboxing. So Let's see what that retails for. So that was the primer. That retails for $35. Whoa. Okay. This is definitely a good box, guys. If you are not subscribed, make sure you follow my link. My link on the description box down below to subscribe. Okay, so next up we have something from Stila. Oh, I like Stila. I like the products. Like I have like I think I have like one eyeshadow palette and I don't know what else I have. I have some liquid lipsticks. That's what I have. So let me show you the box first. Okay, so here the box. And this is the actual product. No idea what this is. What is this? So this is going to be a lash mascara. So it's a mascara. Okay. I have some mascara already. If not, I would have put some on, but I already have some. But it looks nice and thick, so that's good. The Still a Huge Extreme Lash Mascara retails for $23. Okay, next up we have, what is this? Something from State. And this here is, let's see. I can take it out. Okay. Ooh, this is cute. I like this. This is white and gold. Oh, it's an eyeliner. Okay. So it's an eyeliner. Let's check it out. Ooh. That's nice. I like the tip. Look how nice it is. Ooh, so nice. Okay. So this is, I'm putting it the wrong way. No, it's color black. Okay. So that was, what did I say? It was the State. Where is it at? It's the State Cosmetics Precision Felt Tip Liquid Liner, and that retails for $12. That's what it says here. $12. I'll put my glasses on. I am so blind. Yes, it retails. Can't talk. It retails for $12, and it's nice. Look at it. I like it. I like it. What else do we have here? I think this is the last item. 1, 2, 3. I think so. I think this is the last item. Okay, let me fix my shirt here because it's going up and I feel uncomfortable. Okay. So my last item is going to be this right here. What is this? This is Saturday Skin. It's a Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. Ooh, I love eye creams. And that retails for $32. Wow, my box is worth one. Like, I gotta add everything out. Leave it down somewhere down there so you guys will know. Unless I already posted it on the thumbnail. Probably that's what's going to happen, so you will know what the value, the whole value of the box was. So, this is so cute. Look. So pretty, so pretty. I like it. I like it a lot. I like the container a lot. Okay, let's see what it looks like inside. It doesn't have any scent to it, so that is good. Not gonna trigger my migraines. So that's what it looks like inside. Let's see. I'll take a little bit. Feels really nice on the skin, so I hope it feels as nice when I put it under my eyes. Definitely going to try it. Anything that's eye related, like I love, and I love to try. Well, guys, this box was so good. I received so many great products, and I'm super excited because I'm gonna try all this soon, especially that 4-in-1 makeup brush. What do you think about it? Like, I love it. I am like in love with it. And again, this was my February box for Boxycharm unboxing. So I will see you guys back soon with a different unboxing video, guys. Bye.